So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from various important MNCs and company from IBM, Microsoft. So first important job that is from the Microsoft, they are hiring for the role of software engineer and job location is India and Telangana. Okay. So earlier provided you the job location for the Google. Now friends, for applying these important drive now you should have good resume. So make sure to update the resume according to the job description. And you can basically ask for referral for in LinkedIn. Okay. So make sure to apply with referral, that will be a good things because you know the Microsoft a large product based company. And so talking about the required qualifications, you should have bachelor degree in CS or related field and proven or coding knowledge. Means for cracking these responsibilities you should have strong grasp of DSA. Okay, so if you have strong grasp of DSA such as graph questions and all those things, then you can apply for this. So bachelor degree are legal for this, and other requirement you can go through. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the Comcast. They are hiring for the role of development engineer 1 and job location is Chennai. So this is also a wonderful opportunity. You can apply. Now talking a little bit more job responsibility, you will review, write and edit codes, research, write and read documentation, monitor and evaluate competitive application and product. So these are the important roles and responsibility, and bachelor degree in CS and related things can apply. You can say freshers eligible for this important opportunity. So mix you should apply. Next important, that is from the Wipro. They are hiring for the role of junior associate software engineer. Remember, Wipro is hiring for multiple positions. Earlier, I have also provided you update for Wipro. That was for different positions, and previously also provided updates. So that was different positions. So don't confuse that. I am saving means I am basically giving you the same apply link. Okay, that all role are different. So according to the job description, apply accordingly. Okay, so this is for the role of junior associate software engineer, and this is one wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Okay. So this will be your thing that you design and develop solutions, quality and CSAT and MIS and reporting. So mandatory skills is DevOps. So if you have knowledge of DevOps, then only you should apply. Otherwise, this will just the things. Okay. Next model community from the IBM, and we'll make a dedicated video for that. But for the time being, they are hiring for the role of software engineer intern, and this is again a wonderful opportunity. So those who have applied earlier for the IBM hiring, they are getting reward. Okay, so I provided the earlier IBM hiring that was for different role. So make sure to apply. Okay, for example, cloud captain, those who are applying, they are getting reward. So don't say that I'm not getting the reward. Okay, so you should apply with updated resume. That's the only point. So you should have knowledge in C++ and for Python shell, great advantage, and basic computer knowledge and strong fundamental आपका रहना चाहिए. So this is a wonderful opportunity. I suggest everyone should apply. So freshers are you can say year student 0 to 1. 2025 can apply and 2026 can also apply, but I suggest wait for some dedicated hiring from the IBM for 2026. Okay, friends, moving to the next important opportunity for the role of web development associate at Accenture, and freshers are legal for this. Experience 0 to 2 year, and this is again a wonderful opportunity. Okay, look here, they have clear here mentioned 0 to 2 year, but here they are mentioning the 1 to 3 year. So consider this. Okay, web development associate means if you have knowledge in web development and other things, then you can go through it. Okay, so any graduates can apply. They clearly mention. So make sure to apply. And coming to second last important opportunity from the Zomato. Okay, so if you want to work with Zomato, and then you can just share your, or you can just contact them. Okay, coming to last modern opportunity, that is the hybrid role from the eyes to eye. They are hiring for the role of front end and back end development intern, and for this role 2026 applicable and 2025 can also apply. This is an internship role and application deadline is 20 March. So make sure to apply before deadline, otherwise link will expire, and internship duration is 2 months. So obviously this will give a strong boost to your resume. This is a hybrid role, and you will get the certification of completion, LOI and flexible work hour. So friend, besides that, I've already posted lots of other important updates, that is from the EY, Amazon, Geo, Capgemini. So if you haven't applied for all those opportunities, make sure to go through all those video and keep applying for off-campus drive with updated resume. Then you will get 100% reward. Those who are following the our coding series, just follow it, and best of luck to those who have NQT exam. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.